Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after a really long time, and welcome back once again. Today I'm gonna share Amazon beauty finds. I'm sharing all stuff which is affordable. Some of them are repurchases, so I will be reviewing them. Okay, I got the Wow Skincare Aloe Vera Gel. I just got it in case I get some rashes or my skin itches in summers. Yeah, I do work out, and sometimes I think lotions don't do the job. I just need something that will make it calm and decrease the itchiness and also feel like cooling on my skin. And it has good reviews on Amazon, so definitely I'm gonna try and let you know. It's for hair and skin because it is very pure. The more pure the aloe vera is, the more multi-purpose it gets. So I'll try it on my hair as well. Let's go with the second product. This is a repurchase, guys. Oh my god, I love this. This is the Nivea Sunscreen for my body. I'm using this one non-stop. It's a PA++++, which is good for UVA, UVB rays और इसमें वाटर रेजिस्टेंस भी है. मैं इसको बॉडी पे लगाती हूँ, बट जब मेरे पास फेस की कोई सनस्क्रीन ना हो एंड आई एम आउट आई एम शूटिंग, वैसी कोई सिचुएशन में हूँ, फिर ये काम आती है बिकॉज ये मेरे बैग में रहती है, जिम बैग में है, ये मेरे वैनिटी बैग में है, शूटिंग वाले मेकअप किट में है. सो ये कहाँ है. Rosehip seed oil. Okay, I am a fan of rosehip seed oil because it gives me a very nice skin, even tone skin over time. Amazon से मैं जब buy कर रही थी and it was showing in the suggestions, और जब मैंने देखा okay rosehip seed oil, okay I need it. I don't have it right now. I don't know why I stopped using it. So it's a sign I should grab it. So I scrapped it. आता है starting size 10 ml and you can see मैंने कैसे बॉक्स से रोकर like get out of the frame. So ये rosehip seed oil है. Gently massage my skin upwards when I apply it. And oil हमेशा skincare के end में लगता है. If you don't know, oils आपके skincare को seal कर देते हैं. मैंने रिका वैक्स का एक वो कार्टिलेज कहते हैं इसको, तो यू पुट इट इन दी हीटर, उसके अंदर डाल के यू कैन हीट इट एंड डू योर वैक्सिंग लाइक दिस. तो वो पकड़ के अपना हीटर एंड आई यूज्ड इट एंड बिलीव मी मेरी स्किन भी अच्छी लगती है उसके बाद. एंड जो ग्रोथ है इट्स कमिंग लाइटर डे बाई डे. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स दी वैक्स और वॉट, but yes, I am a die-hard fan of Rika wax. Expiration date, everything is mentioned. I love it. चलो मेकअप पे जाते हैं. सो फर्स्ट मेकअप है हमारा फेसेस कैनेडा का वेटलेस स्टे मैट कॉम्पैक्ट SPF 20. सो ये द शेड आई गॉट इज 02. इट वॉज द शेड नेचुरल. आई डोंट नो वाई आई गॉट अ येलो टोन बिकॉज मेरी स्किन थोड़ी सी न्यूट्रल टोन है. आई डोंट नो बिकॉज आजकल थोड़ी सी वन शेड डार्कर हो जाती है समर्स में स्किन. हाँ, मिरर भी है. I like it. It's very lightweight. Full coverage नहीं है. It's a very light coverage. Good for everyday. और अगर आप थिक फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर्स यूज़ करते हो तो आपको इतना हैवी वेट कॉम्पैक्ट लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है एवरीडे बेसिस पे. बट आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग दी पैट वाला थिंग. प्राइस वाइज इट्स रियली गुड. मैट फिनिश, up for it in summers. Okay, next product I am excited to try the Sugar Intense Koval Blackout. So ये है product and I'm gonna open it. Finally after 100 years I am here. चलो इसको आइस पर लगा के देखते हैं. आप let me zoom in a minute because and I didn't need to rub it or reapply it. This is just one coat and I'm damn happy about it. It is definitely intense black. Oh my god. And it's really matte. I love it for some reason because black भी कितने types के black ovals होते हैं. Some are really dull black. Some की ombre body बहुत ही प्यारी है. I mean look at it. It is so pretty. More Mauve is the name of the shade, and it is more deeper than I thought, but see, let's see. First of all, I like how pigmented it is. In just one coat I got this color, and there is no peek through translucency and all. खुशबू भी बहुत प्यारी है, and then I love the shade. It's better than I thought. मेरे को लगा था it would be little deep on me, but अच्छा है, it's nice, good for the color I'm wearing. उसके साथ भी it's going well. ठीक है, that's it. This is the Maybelline का finish. अच्छी है for the first application wise. Finish is not bad. So this is the last product. I am super excited for this because I have been using Wet Brush brand from so many years. This is my third or fourth brush, hot pink, and it's a quick dry version. I have always used their wet brush, either travel size or normal ones, but never tried the speed dry. So it's made in a way so you can get the air through the opening. Yeah, super excited about this as well. And yeah, this is, I swear by this brand because it's been years, so I do not need to say much about it. And yes, it's super comfortable to use, does not pull hair at all. Yeah, happy about the purchases I did on Amazon. Links will be in description box, so if anything is exciting to you, you can go ahead and purchase, and let me know if you found anything that you have pre-loved. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon. Bye.